Hi children, welcome back to maths class. I hope all are practice second chapter very well. Today I am going to start new chapter. That is chapter 3, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is very important branch of mathematics. And French mathematician René Descartes developed this coordinate geometry. In this coordinate geometry, he found a system, how to locate a point on a plane. The system is known as Cartesian system. We know in our earlier classes, we know very well how to locate a point on a number line. But in this chapter, I am going to show how to locate a point in a plane. First, I will show how to locate a point on a number line. We know, first draw a line here. Then first mark one point, that is mark it as a 0. Then from unit equal distance mark the points here. Unit equal distance. Then right side of 0. What is the right side of 0, children? The right side of 0 are the positive numbers and left side of 0 are the negative numbers. Here I will mark. Then what are the positive numbers? Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, etc. are the positive numbers. Negative numbers are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. I will write the right side of 0 and mark positive numbers, that is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, etc. Here, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. This is from same way we can extend this line. We can find any number on a number line. Infinitely many number we can locate in a number line here. Okay. Then here in this for locating a point in a plane. For locating a point in a plane, we need two lines. That is two perpendicular lines here. What is mean by perpendicular? What is children perpendicular line? This two lines intersecting, making an angle 90 degree. That type of lines are known as perpendicular line here. Okay, this is also perpendicular. There are two lines. That is perpendicular line means two line intersecting and making an angle. This is one line. This one another line. This is P one line. Q is another line. These two lines intersecting the point is here. Here making an angle is 90 degree. Therefore, these lines are known as perpendicular lines. For finding a point on a plane, we need two perpendicular lines. Okay, I'll show. Here, for example, here one line here, two perpendicular line. Okay, two perpendicular. I draw here two perpendicular line. Here, this is one line. This is another. This is a one. This line is in the shape of horizontal. This is horizontal line. This is vertical line. Okay, these two lines making an angle is 90 degree. We know here numbers are marking here. Here, these two lines intersecting the point, mark it as a 0. This is one number line here. The right side of 0, we know very well that is a positive numbers. That is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, etc. The left side of 0 are the negative number, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, etc. This is a one line here. This is a one horizontal line. This is a line is the vertical line. Okay. Then the right side of 0. Again right side of 0 are the positive numbers. So mark here plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Right side is the positive. Then left side is that is a here down. That is the negative numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, etc. Okay, these are the in one plane. I'll draw a two line. These two lines are perpendicular to each other. In front here only we are locating a point here. This one is horizontal line. This is vertical line. This horizontal line I mark here. This is x. Here is x dash. X dash is the horizontal line. X dash x is the horizontal line. Then this is y dash. Y dash is the vertical. This is x dash x is the horizontal line. This is the y dash is the vertical line here. This is known as this x dash x is known as the x axis. Y dash y is the y axis. This is x axis. This is y axis. These two lines are intersecting point. The intersecting point is 0. The intersecting point is known as origin. The intersecting point is known as origin. This is x axis. This is y axis. The intersecting point is known as origin. Now here children, here the right side is here. Right side of this 0 is the positive numbers. Okay, this is here also the up of the 0 is also this origin also positive number. Then this is the positive direction. This here also O, this is O. O is the origin. Then OX and OY is the positive direction. OX and this is OX. O is the origin. OX this is positive direction. OY is the also positive direction. Same as here OY. Here all numbers are negative. All numbers are negative. Therefore the negative direction. That is OX dash. OX dash and here these are the negative numbers. Then here OY dash. What is OY dash? OY dash also negative number. These are the negative direction. OX and OY is positive direction. OX dash and OY dash are negative direction. Understood children everyone here? What is the meaning of x axis and y axis? The horizontal axis is known as x axis. Vertical line is known the y axis. The right side of 0 are the positive numbers. Left side of 0 are the negative number. Here OX is the positive direction. OY is the also positive. Here OY dash are negative numbers. Therefore this is negative direction. OY dash is also negative direction. Understood children everyone? Okay. Next I will show you here. Suppose I mark it a point here. This is now I mark a point here. Point P. I mark this point here. How to find the coordinate here? Here P is the point here and that is the P here. Before only mark it here, what we have to find one point. This is a one plane. Here I mark it a point. Then we have to find what is the coordinate of this. What is the point of this point? What is the value of this point here? Coordinate here. Before finding this, and I will tell you about here. These two lines here. These two lines are intersecting each other. The point is known as origin. Now intersecting, these two lines intersecting. This plane divided into how many parts here? Each plane divided into how many parts here? Divided into 4 parts. Okay children, here. This is one part. We are taking anti-clockwise. This is second part, third part, fourth part. This xy plane divided into this plane is known as xy plane. XY plane. XY plane. This XY plane divided into 4 parts. The 4 parts. We know here that the two lines perpendicular to each other making an angle 90 degree. These are known as one quadrant. Children, we know very well, we learned in the earlier classes, so 6th standard also, one circle divided into 4 equal parts. Each one is a quadrant. Quadrant make an angle here 90 degree. And this is the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. One XY plane divided into how many parts now here? Divided into 4 parts. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. You are taking the anti-clockwise. Quadrant here. First quadrant, second quadrant, first, second, third, fourth quadrant. This xy plane also we known as the coordinate plane. This plane also known as coordinate plane, otherwise Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. This xy plane is known as xy plane, coordinate plane, otherwise Cartesian plane. The Cartesian plane or coordinate plane divided into 4 equal quadrant. Equal first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth one. In this quadrant we are locating from same thing. From here only we can locate the point. Now I'll put a mark point here. This is where which quadrant this one coming? This is in the first quadrant. Okay, mark here. Here, this is I'm marking here. Join here. Join to the x-axis. I draw a perpendicular line to x-axis. Here, one perpendicular line to y-axis. The distance from the y-axis. What is the distance here? 3. From here to here, what is the distance here? 1, 2, 3. 3 unit. 3 unit. From here, that is the distance from a y-axis is, that is the x-coordinate. That is the x-coordinate. Here, what is the x-coordinate here? 3. X-coordinate or abscissa. Then next, that is the x-coordinate. X-coordinate is the first point. Next one is the y-coordinate. That is the y-coordinate is the perpendicular distance from x. What is the how much distance is there from this x-axis? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, from the x-axis, this is 4 units. Okay, that is the y-coordinate. Y-coordinate. Otherwise, y-coordinate is also known as ordinate. Understood, children? Here, x-coordinate is known as abscissa. X-coordinate is the perpendicular distance from a y-axis. Here, then y-coordinate is the perpendicular distance from the x-axis. Okay, the y-coordinate is also known as ordinate. Here, what is the now? Yeah, I am writing the coordinate of this point P. What is the how much distance is there from here? From the y-axis, this is 3. For writing a coordinate, first we are writing x-coordinate. That is how much distance is here? 3. I am writing in one bracket. First is x-coordinate. Next is y-coordinate. How much distance is here from the x-axis? This is 4. That is mark it as 4. Okay. Then coordinate of P is what is the coordinate of P? Coordinate of P is 3, 4. Here we have write it as a point 3, 4. 3 is the x-coordinate. Otherwise, abscissa of point P is 3. Then what is the y-coordinate here? Y-coordinate is 4. That is the ordinate. We are asking here one point marking here. We are asking what is the x-coordinate of P here? X-coordinate of P is 3. What is the y-coordinate here? That is 4. Understood, children? Here how to mark it, how to locate a point in a plane here. For locating here, first you draw a xy plane. Xy plane also known as coordinate plane, Cartesian plane, xy plane. That plane divided into 4 equal parts. Then mark the points. Then find the coordinate. Understood, children? Everyone here? Okay. Thank you.